Your habits will determine your future, and the future of every successful person is built on the foundation of disciplined and positive habits. Hey, everybody, welcome to the Personal Excellence to Riches channel, where we embark on a journey of personal growth, success, and financial abundance through our new series, The Personality Palooza, hashtag Take It Easy. I am Sujata Mukherjee, a corporate trainer with more than 25 years of track record with the top corporates worldwide and personal development strategist. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you 3 secrets to success every successful person knows. In a world filled with individuals striving for greatness, there are those who seem to effortlessly achieve their goals. Have you ever wondered what sets them apart? What knowledge, habits, and mindset do they possess that propels them forward on their path to success? Throughout history, successful individuals have left clues and patterns that illuminate the path to achievement. By studying their lives, their habits, and their philosophies, we can extract invaluable wisdom that can be implemented in our own lives. But remember, these secrets are not merely intellectual knowledge to be consumed and forgotten. They are meant to be embraced and embodied in your daily life. Each secret holds immense power waiting to be unleashed within you. Get ready to transform your life and create a future filled with abundance and fulfillment. Here are some unconventional habits that can contribute to personal success and financial abundance. The first point is embracing failure as a feedback. Failure is often seen as something to be avoided at all costs. But what if we could shift our perspective and see it as a valuable feedback? By embracing failure as feedback, we can transform setbacks into stepping stones towards personal excellence and financial success. Let me share a story to illustrate this point. There was a young entrepreneur named Lisa who had a grand vision of a new product. Excited and full of enthusiasm, she poured her heart and soul into developing it. However, when she launched the product, it didn't receive the response she had hoped for. Sales were disappointing and Lisa felt discouraged. Instead of wallowing in despair, Lisa decided to embrace failure as feedback. She analyzed what went wrong, seeking valuable lessons from the experience. She realized that she had overlooked market research and failed to understand her target audience's needs and preferences fully. Determined to turn things around, Lisa used this feedback to improve her product. She conducted surveys, gathered customer feedback, and made strategic modifications based on the insights gained. When she relaunched the product, it resonated with her target audience and sales began to soar. By embracing failure as feedback, Lisa learned invaluable lessons that guided her towards success. She understood that failure wasn't a reflection of her worth and potential, but an opportunity to grow and improve. This newfound perspective empowered her to take risks, learn from mistakes, and achieve personal and financial excellence. Let's take a page from Lisa's book and embrace failure as feedback in our own lives. Rather than being disheartened by setbacks, let's view them as valuable stepping stones on our journey to success. Remember, each failure brings us one step closer to uncovering the winning formula that will propel us towards personal and financial triumph. Next, let's delve into the second unconventional habit, practicing random acts of kindness, and explore how small acts of kindness can have a significant impact on personal growth and financial success. Point number 2, practicing random acts of kindness. Imagine a world where kindness is a daily habit and small acts of compassion make a significant difference in people's lives. Practicing random acts of kindness not only benefits those we help, but also brings us personal fulfillment and contributes to a positive and supportive community. Let me share a heartwarming story that illustrates the power of kindness. In a bustling city, there was a man named Mark. He had a thriving career and financial success, but felt something was missing in his life. One day, as he was walking to work, he noticed a homeless woman sitting on a bench, shivering in the cold. While many people hurried by, Mark felt compelled to help. He approached the woman and offered her his coat. The woman's eyes filled with gratitude as she accepted the warm garment. Mark also gave her some spare change and a kind smile, acknowledging her humanity and worth. This simple act of kindness made a profound impact on the woman who felt seen and valued amidst her struggles. Inspired by this encounter, Mark continued to practice random acts of kindness. He started volunteering at a local shelter, spending his weekends serving meals to those in need. He organized a clothing drive at his workplace, encouraging colleagues to donate clothes for the less fortunate. Mark's act of kindness created a ripple effect, inspiring others to join him in making a difference. Not only did Mark's kindness bring joy to those he helped, but it also transformed his own life. He discovered a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment, realizing that personal excellence extends beyond financial success. Through this act of kindness, he developed meaningful connections, built a supportive network, and cultivated a positive reputation within his community. As time went on, Mark's kindness began to impact his professional life as well. His colleagues admired his compassionate nature and collaborative spirit, leading to increased teamwork and productivity. His clients appreciated his genuine care and developed long-lasting relationships with him. Ultimately, Mark's kindness not only enriched his personal life, but also contributed to his financial success. This story reminds us that practicing random acts of kindness has the power to create a positive effect in our lives and the lives of others. Whether it is a small gesture like holding the door for someone, helping a stranger carry their groceries, or offering a listening ear to a friend in need, each act of kindness contributes to personal growth, builds stronger connections, and creates a harmonious environment. So let's make practicing random acts of kindness a habit in our lives. Let's be the one who make a difference, one small act of kindness at a time. Together, we can foster personal excellence, contribute to the well-being of our communities, experience the fulfillment that comes from spreading kindness and compassion. Point number 3, prioritizing self-care. In the fast-paced and demanding world we live in, taking care of ourselves often takes a backseat to our responsibilities and obligations. However, prioritizing self-care is essential for personal excellence and financial success. When we invest in our well-being, we enhance our overall productivity, happiness, and ability to navigate life's challenges. Let me share a story that highlights the transformative power of self-care. Meet Sarah, a hard-working professional with a hectic schedule. Sarah was dedicated to her career and worked long hours, often neglecting her own needs. She believed that sacrificing her well-being was necessary to achieve success. However, as time went on, Sarah began to feel the effects of burnout and realized that her productivity was declining. One day, a close friend invited Sarah to join a yoga class. Though hesitant at first, Sarah decided to give it a try. As she immersed herself in the practice, she discovered a sense of peace and rejuvenation she hadn't experienced in a long time. The physical movement and the mindful breathing allowed her to release stress, clear her mind, and reconnect with herself. Inspired by the positive impact of yoga, Sarah prioritized self-care as a non-negotiable habit. She carved out time each day for activities that nurtured her well-being, such as taking walks in nature, practicing meditation, and indulging in her favorite hobbies. She also made it a point to spend quality time with her loved ones, strengthening her relationships and finding joy in their presence. To Sarah's surprise, prioritizing self care didn't hinder her professional success, it enhanced it. By taking care of herself, she found her focus and productivity improved. She became more resilient in the face of challenges and gained a fresh perspective on problem solving. Sarah's colleagues and clients noticed the positive change in her, appreciating her calm demeanor and increased efficiency. As Sarah continued her self care journey, she realized that by investing in her own well being, she was able to show up fully in all aspects of her life. She discovered that self care wasn't selfish. It was a necessary foundation for personal growth, happiness, and ultimately financial success. The story of Sarah reminds us of the transformative power of self care. When we prioritize our physical, mental, and emotional well being, we recharge our batteries, enhance our resilience, and cultivate a positive mindset. By making self care a non negotiable habit, we create a solid foundation for personal excellence and set ourselves up for long term success. So let's take a cue from Sarah and make self care a priority in our own lives, whether it's engaging in physical activities, practicing mindfulness, pursuing hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. Let's invest in ourselves. By nurturing our well being, we not only enhance our personal growth and happiness, but also increase our capacity to thrive in our careers and financial endeavors. That's all for today. More coming up soon. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any upcoming video. Thank you. Take care.